A preposition is a word that shows the relation between noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Preposition of place: above, under, in front of, behind, next to, in, between, among, near, far, onto, off, up, down, pass, through, into, out. Preposition of time: in, on, at. Preposition of direction: to the right, under, between, to the left, through, beside.